made back in August of 2015 over my neighborhood, taking off from the shoulder of a hill just above our house, where there's a park. I'm taking off, actually going toward my neighborhood, and you can't see my house here because the cockpit's in the way, but it's sort of below and maybe a little bit to the left of where I'm flying. I'm heading in the direction of what's called the Sunken City, which was a landslide on the coast that happened back in the 1930s. And it's an area that's blocked off by a fence, but everybody's broken through the fence, and it's a wonderful place to explore. Anyway, I'm turning right here. This is I'm looking over toward Catalina, and now over to the right is Point Fermin Park, where there's a historic lighthouse. You can just see the lighthouse through the window on the right there. And then up on the shoulder of the hill is an oriental bell and a pagoda that was a gift from South Korea as a thank you gift for fighting in the Korean War. I think it was given to present it to us during the bicentennial. Anyway, this is looking at the cliffs of Point Fermin, and that's the Point Fermin Park right ahead. It has a theater where they put on Shakespeare plays in the summer, which have been an enjoyment, especially for Derek. My neighbor, actually, straight ahead is the entrance to the LA Harbor, and now I'm flying again over my neighborhood, this gappy street right in front of us. And now this is back toward the Korean Bell, which there you can just barely see the pagoda. Here you go to the right, you can see the pagoda, where there's this huge oriental bell that they ring twice a year. And now these glitches, I don't know what's causing the plane to, I think there's some problem with the control system that's causing the plane to glitch to the left. Anyway, now there you can see the pagoda where the bell is. Again, now we're looking out toward Catalina. It's sort of an overcast day. I'm just beyond the bell is where I took off the plane from. And I'm just flying this, looking through goggles. And so I'm flying, basically seeing this same image. And let's see, coming up here, we may be able to pick out my house. Anyway, you can see the jetty that leads out to the lighthouse at the entrance of the harbor. This afternoon, I flew the plane again out to that lighthouse. It was a mile away, and then ended up crashing into the harbor on the landing because I was distracted by lifeguards that came out asking what I was doing. Now this is looking up the coast toward the Palos Verdes Peninsula, and again there you see the pagoda with the Korean bell. I think in a little bit here I come around for an approach to land. Let's see, I guess I can't see my house here. Again, there you see the harbor in front of us. Just flying back and forth over the park. This is flying sort of low, close to the bell. I can't really see how close I am to the bell because in this flight I don't have the ability to move the camera around. There's the park again. And now this is, you can see where I am. I'm just, I'm straight ahead, and there's some people walking in front. I'm just sort of coming in over their head. This is the high definition movie, the Mobius camera that's on the wing, the same flight. Here I'm waiting for people to move out of the way before taking off. And